North Carolina, a state on the eastern coast of the United States, is a place of remarkable natural beauty. Its diverse landscapes range from the majestic Blue Ridge Mountains to the serene Atlantic Ocean coastline. The state is a treasure trove of natural wonders, offering a unique blend of geographical features that cater to every kind of nature lover. From towering mountains to sun-kissed beaches, North Carolina's natural beauty is truly unparalleled. The Blue Ridge Mountains, with their rolling hills and lush forests, provide a stunning backdrop for outdoor adventures. Meanwhile, the pristine beaches along the Atlantic coast offer a tranquil escape for those seeking relaxation. North Carolina offers a diverse range of landscapes to explore. The state's varied terrain includes everything from dense forests and rolling hills to expansive wetlands and sandy shores. This diversity makes it a perfect destination for hikers, campers, and nature enthusiasts. The state is a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Whether you're hiking through the rugged trails of the Appalachian Mountains, kayaking down the winding rivers, or simply enjoying a day at the beach, North Carolina has something for everyone. Whether you seek adventure or tranquility, North Carolina's natural wonders are sure to captivate your senses. The state offers a wide range of activities, from adrenaline-pumping adventures like rock climbing and whitewater rafting, to peaceful pastimes like birdwatching and picnicking in scenic parks. North Carolina's diverse geography is a result of its unique location. Situated where the Appalachian Mountains meet the Atlantic Ocean, the state boasts a remarkable variety of ecosystems. This geographical diversity is one of the reasons why North Carolina is such a popular destination for nature enthusiasts. It is situated where the Appalachian Mountains meet the Atlantic Ocean. This unique positioning creates a stunning contrast between the high peaks of the mountains and the flat, sandy shores of the coast. The result is a landscape that is both dramatic and beautiful. This transition from high peaks to sandy shores creates a remarkable variety of ecosystems, each with its own unique charm and allure. From the dense, misty forests of the mountains to the sunny, windswept beaches of the coast, North Carolina's natural landscapes are as diverse as they are beautiful. Whether you're exploring the rugged terrain of the mountains or the serene shores of the coast, you're sure to be captivated by the state's natural beauty. The western part of North Carolina is dominated by the majestic Appalachian Mountains. These mountains are not just a geographical feature but a symbol of the region's natural beauty and cultural heritage. Stretching from Alabama to Canada, the Appalachian Range is one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world, with its formation dating back over 480 million years. The mountains have been a source of inspiration for countless artists, writers, and adventurers who have sought to capture their essence in various forms of art and literature. These ancient peaks, sculpted by time and erosion, offer breathtaking views and challenging hikes. The rugged terrain and diverse ecosystems make it a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're an experienced hiker looking for a challenge or a casual walker wanting to enjoy the scenery, the Appalachian Mountains have something to offer. The trails wind through dense forests, across clear mountain streams, and up to vantage points that provide panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Each season brings its own unique beauty, from the vibrant colors of autumn leaves to the serene snow-covered peaks in winter. The Blue Ridge Mountains, a sub-range of the Appalachians, are particularly renowned for their beauty. Known for their bluish color when seen from a distance, these mountains are covered in a variety of flora and fauna. The Blue Ridge Parkway, often referred to as America's favorite drive, runs through this region, offering motorists a chance to experience the stunning scenery from the comfort of their vehicles. Along the way, there are numerous overlooks, picnic areas, and hiking trails that invite visitors to stop and explore. Mount Mitchell, the highest peak in the eastern United States, stands tall at 6,684 feet. Named after Dr. Elisha Mitchell, a professor who studied the mountain in the 19th century, it is a popular destination for those seeking to reach the highest point east of the Mississippi River. The summit offers a 360-degree view that is simply breathtaking, especially on a clear day when you can see for miles in every direction. The mountain is also home to a variety of plant and animal species that are not found anywhere else in the region. Visitors can drive to the summit for panoramic views or embark on challenging trails through spruce fir forests. The trails vary in difficulty, from easy walks to strenuous hikes that test even the most experienced hikers. Along the way, you'll encounter a diverse range of flora and fauna, including rare species that thrive in the mountain's unique climate. The spruce fir forests, in particular, create a cool, shaded environment that is a welcome respite during the hot summer months. The Great Smoky Mountains National Park, straddling the border between North Carolina and Tennessee, is another must-visit destination. This park is renowned for its biodiversity, with over 19,000 documented species and many more yet to be discovered. The park's name comes from the natural fog that often hangs over the mountains, creating a mystical and enchanting atmosphere. The Smokies are a haven for wildlife, including black bears, elk, and a variety of bird species. The park also features numerous historical sites, including old homesteads and mills that offer a glimpse into the region's past. This park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was designated as such in 1983 in recognition of its exceptional natural beauty and the wealth of biodiversity it supports. The park is also an international biosphere reserve, highlighting its importance as a protected area for scientific research and conservation. Visitors to the park can enjoy a wide range of activities, from hiking and camping to wildlife watching and exploring the many scenic drives that crisscross the area. It is home to diverse wildlife and stunning old-growth forests. These ancient forests are some of the last remaining tracts of virgin forest in the eastern United States, providing a rare glimpse into what the landscape looked like before European settlement. The park's diverse habitats support a wide range of plant and animal life, making it a living laboratory for scientists and a paradise for nature lovers. Whether you're exploring the lush valleys, climbing the rugged peaks, or simply enjoying the tranquility of the forest, the Great Smoky Mountains offer an unforgettable experience. North Carolina's coastline stretches for 300 miles, offering a diverse and breathtaking array of natural beauty. From the northernmost beaches to the southern shores, this coastline is a treasure trove of scenic vistas and unique ecosystems. Along the Atlantic Ocean, it is a constantly changing landscape, where the forces of nature are always at work. The interplay between the land and the sea creates a dynamic environment that is both beautiful and fragile. Shaped by wind, waves, and tides, the coastline is a living testament to the power of natural elements. The ever-shifting sand dunes, the rhythmic crashing of the waves, and the serene tidal pools all tell a story of constant change and adaptation. The Outer Banks, a chain of barrier islands, are a popular destination for visitors seeking both adventure and relaxation. These islands offer a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Known for their pristine beaches, wild horses, and rich history, the Outer Banks are a place where visitors can connect with nature and the past. The wild horses, descendants of Spanish Mustangs, roam freely along the beaches, adding a touch of wild charm to the landscape. Cape Hatteras National Seashore is renowned for its iconic lighthouse, a beacon of safety and a symbol of the region's maritime heritage. Standing tall against the backdrop of the sea, the lighthouse has guided countless sailors to safety over the years. The tallest brick lighthouse in the United States, Cape Hatteras Lighthouse, is an engineering marvel and a beloved landmark. Its striking black and white stripes are instantly recognizable, and its history is deeply intertwined with the story of the Outer Banks. Further south, Cape Lookout National Seashore offers a glimpse into a more untouched and pristine environment. This area is a haven for those looking to experience the raw beauty of undeveloped barrier islands. Here, visitors can explore maritime forests where ancient trees stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. These forests provide a unique habitat for a variety of wildlife and offer a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Climb lighthouses for a panoramic view of the seashore and spot shorebirds that call this area home. Cape Lookout is a sanctuary for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike, offering endless opportunities for discovery and adventure. North Carolina's rivers and waterways are an integral part of its landscape, providing recreation, transportation, and lifeblood to the surrounding ecosystems. The Nantahala River, located in the western part of the state, is a renowned whitewater rafting and kayaking destination. The Cape Fear River, one of the longest rivers entirely contained within the state, winds its way through the Piedmont and coastal plain regions. It offers opportunities for fishing, boating, and wildlife viewing. Section 5. Sparkling Lakes, Reflections of Beauty. North Carolina is home to numerous lakes, each with its own unique character and charm. Lake Norman, the largest man-made lake in the state, is a popular destination for boating, fishing, and waterfront living. Jordan Lake, situated in the Piedmont region, provides opportunities for swimming, picnicking, and hiking. These lakes, along with countless others scattered across the state, offer a peaceful escape and a chance to connect with nature. Section 6. A Tapestry of Life, North Carolina's Biodiversity. North Carolina's diverse landscapes support a rich variety of plant and animal life. Black bears roam the mountains and forests. Red wolves, once on the brink of extinction, are being reintroduced in the eastern part of the state. The coastal waters teem with marine life, including dolphins, sea turtles, and a variety of fish species. Birdwatchers flock to the state to observe migratory species along the Atlantic Flyway. North Carolina's natural beauty provides endless opportunities for outdoor recreation. Hiking trails crisscross the mountains, offering breathtaking views and challenging climbs. The Appalachian Trail, a 2,190-mile hiking trail extending from Georgia to Maine, traverses the western part of the state. Water sports enthusiasts can enjoy kayaking, canoeing, paddleboarding, and fishing in the state's rivers, lakes, and coastal waters. Camping is another popular activity, with numerous campgrounds located throughout the state. Section 8. Discover your adventure, a call to explore. North Carolina's natural wonders are a testament to the beauty and diversity of the natural world. From towering mountains to sparkling coastlines, this state offers something for everyone. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or simply a chance to connect with nature, North Carolina is waiting to be explored. So pack your bags, grab your hiking boots or swimsuit, and discover the natural beauty that this state has to offer.